Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have the Cat Preschool Express Train. This is gonna be so much fun. Let's see what we have. We have the engine. And it has magnets to hook the other train cars together. Let's go get the coal. Let's see what else we have. We have a tank. And finally, our last car is carrying our dump truck. And our dump truck can come off. It's hooked on by a magnet. What fun! Let's put them back on. And let's put them on the track we've already made. And let's see what else we have. Look, we have an excavator. And we have a bulldozer. And finally, we have a wheel loader. Let's watch the train go around and around. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.